Hi everyone, I'm Caleb and welcome to Gold Rush Cooking here at Columbia State Historic Park. Today we are making chili con carne. Not the chili with beans that most of us are familiar with today. This very simple recipe was taken from the account of a Spanish explorer while he was journeying through South America. Our explorer observed the natives putting thinly sliced pieces of venison or horse meat into a pot with chili peppers and salt. I'm using beef and serrano peppers and salt for my chili con carne. After I had sliced up my serrano peppers, you're supposed to pound them into a paste. I didn't have the proper equipment, so I had to use my fist off screen to get it as close as I could. After I combined all of the ingredients, I let it simmer for about an hour. Once the chili was done cooking, I sprinkled in some corn flour to help thicken the mixture. And that's it. Very simple recipe. This contrasts to the chili with beans that we have today. Now, modern chili with beans originated in Texas sometime between the 1840s and the 1860s. There are many legends surrounding the origin of the beans in chili. One of them was that some cattle drivers, wanting to add more vegetables, put beans into their chili con carne. Whether or not this is true, beans did eventually become a staple in chili that we have today. As we had a large Hispanic population and immigrants from Texas coming to California during the gold rush, it's very likely that we would have seen one or both versions of chili con carne here in Colombia. As always, I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe, and check out our social media links below.